Do you want do you want to watch free movies and TV shows like these but don't know how? You can watch anything even if it's at cinema. I don't know. Just scroll down one of these, find an English one, click on it, and you go English. Download this, and it'll download. Wait for the fill. Go to the settings. Allow from the source. Install. Always download MVP player. Best one to use. And you can do all this through this app, BeeTV. Right, yeah. Now I'm going to show you how to get this app. Now it's not on the Play Store. You have to actually go to Google. You can type in BeeTV. We're going to go over to this first one here. And you're going to come down to where it says, oh, you're going to click got it. Still ignore this. You're going to go down here and click download BeeTV. And it's going to download it for you. Once you've done that, go into the app. And now you can watch whatever you like for free. Don't believe me this works? Watch in a sec.
We need more guys. That is all the guys.
And there we go. That is now in English. So this is Sonic the Hedgehog 3 for free. If you want to go back, you can go back. Yes, it'll come up with an advert. Don't ever worry about that. You need to close the app, reopen it, and it'll come and pick it. Alright? You can watch whatever you want just by following this simple video.